What's good to everyone out there? This is day 8 of my PRP experience. I actually met with the physical therapist who is part of that doctor's office where I got the procedure. Dr. Martin Castillo. Big shout out to Martin Castillo. He was incredible. He was able to diagnose a bunch of different things. He really put together all of my issues and how they're all related. Incredibly, he told me something no one ever told me before. I've always had what most of you may have seen. It's called winged scapula. Your scapulas kind of stick out a bit here. And I just thought my posture was messed up or whatever, which it is, but he said at least his interpretation is I don't technically have winged scapula. What I have is a straight thoracic vertebrae, so there should be a little bit of curvature, but I don't have that. So it would be normal here, but I actually am built like that. Just some way I'm built. It does affect my shoulder stability though. And he noticed the tennis elbow here, which is from high school football, so this arm doesn't quite, that's something, but it affects this. It's all connected. He evaluated both shoulders because I had issues with both, even though this is the shoulder I got the PRP on. Gave me homework. Dr. Martin, he was probably one of the best clinical PTs, if not the best, I've ever been to, and I've been to a lot of them. He was pretty incredible actually in his diagnosis, and he was on point. So major props to him. I'm gonna keep going back there for him or go to someone under him, but at least he does the overall diagnosis. And what he told me, among other things, because again, there was so much discrepancy about what can I eat, what can I eat, what can I take, what can I take, how much coffee is too much. And you know, obviously I'll take it, use my own common sense to figure it out as well. I see there's certain parameters, but he broke it down to me. Basically, even elevated caffeine, you need to majorly try to be hydrated. Obviously no anti-inflammatories, even natural anti-inflammatories, do not take them because there's different types of inflammation we want and don't want. But and then really his recommendation is not to really train, not to go hard. I mean, so really for the next 5 weeks, not training at all. I mean, I cannot use this a whole lot for 6 weeks, even though it's gonna be whack. But that's a big pill to take to have to be debilitated like that. If you have had to do that, please write me down your experience. You can share it. Let me know what that experience was like for you and how you got over it, because it's upsetting to feel like I want to go hard, even though I got a grip of stuff in my garage. Got kettlebells, I got TRXs, I got a dummy now. I can't go in there and go hard for the next hour or whatever tomorrow. You know, I gotta be careful. And I get that we've all had injuries, but I'm dealing with this right now where I'm healing and, you know, I'm getting better, but I gotta be patient. So if you have any tips or hacks for that, I'm definitely open to it. But that's my day 8 so far. So now I'm gonna start with the homework that I was given. I mean, I'm already a little sore from doing it there. I might wait till tomorrow. But yeah, Dr. Martin was on point. Thank you for watching, and go ahead and smash that alert, smash that subscribe. Comments, questions, or otherwise, go ahead and hit me up.
Yoga, fire! Yoga, flame!